Hi everyone, this is Maria with TimeToPlayMag.com. Vroom vroom! Make way for the LEGO Duplo Truck. This is a 16-piece building set for preschoolers. This set has all the Legos you need to build a truck, a small window, a fella to drive the truck, and a boombox. I especially like the boombox touch because after all, you have to listen to tunes while driving your big truck. When you've collected all your goods, the bed of the truck hinges to dump it all out. This set is very easy to build, and while there are no instructions included with this set, the image is easy to follow and the pieces are so large that most of the building has already been done. This is what makes the LEGO Duplo line especially great for preschool-aged kids. Building toys like these encourage creative play, role play, and help work on fine motor skills. The LEGO Duplo Truck is for ages 2 to 5. For more information, you can find us at TimeToPlayMag.com or download our free app, Shop for Kids by Time to Play Mag.